impromptu trip. I was getting ready this morning to go out, and I noticed that everything is covered in ice. Everything. In fact, everything looks like a jewel. The trees look like jewels, the plants on the ground, everything is in a beautiful frozen state. Now, that also means that it took me like an hour to get into my car and out of the driveway. What happened was we had snow, and then we had a day full of rain, and then it turned cold, so everything froze, and everything around is just gorgeous. So I got my morning things done, and then I decided to come out to the Devil's Punch Bowl, which is a waterfall, of actually quite a beautiful waterfall on the east end of Hamilton. And but actually what I'm focusing on is just the little plants that are just covered in ice, and it's absolutely gorgeous. So very impromptu. I uploaded yesterday, but I just couldn't resist this. So I'm at one of the lookout points at the waterfall, and there it is. This is my lens hood. There it is. And again, there's that huge mound of ice as the water falls and freezes at the bottom. It's absolutely beautiful. Yeah, it's just gorgeous today. I mean, look at this. Everything is beautiful. It's about -8. It's not really that cold. There's not a whole bunch of wind, so it's nice. Now, across the way, as I walk this way, there's going to be some city views, and I'm just gonna go look. But I'm really liking just the details, all of the different branches and plants with all of the ice on them. Just so beautiful. Absolutely love the outdoors. What an invigorating and beautiful morning. I'm so glad that I came out. This is so good. I think I might just stay out all day. I suppose I should go. I really don't want to. I mean, it is absolutely incredible. Blue skies, white fluffy clouds, and everywhere I look, it just seems there's beauty and peace, and it's so good to get outside, especially after a big storm like we had. Yeah, it's just so good. I'm walking back to my car and I'm like, okay, I'm done. Oh, look at that! Oh, look at that picture! Oh, okay, yes, now I'm done. Oh, look at that! Oh, look at that picture! And there's people around and they're probably like, what is she doing? But what am I doing? I am having an incredible time. This is just a beautiful morning, and let's just have the rest of the day be just as beautiful. And I hope that you guys all have a great day, and I will talk to you soon. Okay, bye.